Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are very well. In this video, I'm going to talk about on how to set the oxygen regulator. In previous video, I have talked about the parts of the oxygen regulator. In this video, I will talk about on how to set the oxygen regulator. As you all know that there is a button you can see over here. This is called a control valve. This is called a control valve, and this is the inlet in which the oxygen is flow from the cylinder into the oxygen regulator, and this is the outlet. You have to insert the face mask tube into this outlet. So when you insert the face mask tube into the outlet, then turn the turn the control valve anti-clockwise. It will be started, the oxygen flow will be started. You can see over here there are bubble which is forming here in the humidifier. When this flow is started, you will see a ball like material inside the glass tube. So what amount of oxygen you want to deliver to the patient, you can set it from the control valve. So this was all about on how to set the oxygen regulator. For more video, subscribe, like and share.